arts and communication, business, management and technology, health services, human services, natural resources and agriculture, engineering and industrial technology.
Hi, I'm Luvandra McCall. I go to Rockbridge High School and I can do vital signs.
Hi, I'm Grace Moore. I'm from Battle High School and I can identify herbs and spices.
I'm Cora from Battle High School and I can treat a patient in trauma.
Hi, my name is Evan Holliday and I'm a recent high school graduate and a product of the Columbia Area Career Center. Currently, I am attending MACC and I am working as a videographer at Equipment Share. My ultimate goal is to become a professional sports media producer. But enough about me. Let's talk about you and your opportunities.
The Columbia Area Career Center is full of courses to help you explore your highest potential beyond high school graduation. Whether you plan to further your education or hit the workforce running, it doesn't matter. We have courses that ensure you are at the top of your game.
Hi, I'm Adler from Rockbridge High School, and I can load samples for gel electrophoresis.
Hi, I'm Ethan Gerke from Hickman High School, and I can grow plants using the aeroponic system.
I'm Lucille from Rockbridge High School, and I can build a circuit.
Thinking of a career involving hands-on technical knowledge? CACC has extensive labs that allow you to learn at the fullest potential in the classroom.
We have courses that explore aeronautics, engineering, robotics, digital media, programming, civil engineering and architecture, broadcast TV, computer-aided design, information technology, 3D animation, computer science, plus more. Thinking of a career involving hands-on technical knowledge? CACC has extensive labs that allow you to learn to the fullest potential in the classroom. Our courses are about rolling up your sleeves and being able to learn in an interactive environment. We have courses that explore biomedical sciences, professions in healthcare, teaching, culinary, law enforcement, plant science, animal science, mechanics, emergency medical services, marketing, welding, construction, automotive, plus more.
Hi, I'm Nicholas from Rockbridge High School, and I can edit short films with Adobe Premiere.
Hi, I'm Stevie, and I'm from Hickman High School. I can design topography.
Hi, my name is Bethany. I'm from Battle High School, and I can design a classroom for all learners.
CACC has been recognized on the state and national level for its high school courses, teachers, and administration. We also have student organizations to help build up your skills and ramp up your resume.
Explore organizations like FFA, Skills USA, DECA, Educators Rising, HOSA, and FBLA. These extra opportunities allow you to compete, travel, and build your leadership skills.
Here you have the world of possibilities right at your fingertips. Thank you for engaging with me today. Now it's your turn to reach your fullest potential. And the Columbia Area Career Center is here to help you. Remember, you can.
Hi, my name is Lily. I go to Hickman High School and I can anchor a newscast.
I'm AJ. I'm from Rockbridge High School and I can administer vaccinations.
I'm Shelby. I'm from Rockbridge High School and I can write a marketing plan.
Hi, my name is Tristan, and I am a student from Battle High School, and I can make a suit.
And remember, you can be anything that you want to be here at the Columbia Area Career Center. So see you soon. I can.